Hey folks, in this video I will show you how to install JetBrains Mono font in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, what you have to do is install the JetBrains Mono font on your computer. If you don't know how to do it, check out the video in the description. After that, go to Visual Studio Code. So in here, to change your default Visual Studio Code font to JetBrains Mono, click on this J icon and go to settings. So in here, search for font. So now you see font settings related to this workspace. So in here, what you need to do is copy and paste these font families to this font family section. So I will put this in the description so you can copy and paste. After that, your font will change to JetBrains Mono. As you can see, my terminal font changed to JetBrains Mono, and if I create a new file and type something, you can see it also changed to JetBrains Mono. Also, there is a second method you can do this. That is like click on this page icon here, and here you see this editor.font family. So you can change this editor.font family to this value. It will change your font. So it will also change your font to JetBrains Mono. But you don't have to do this if you did it already in here. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any question, feel free to comment. I will get back to you. See you in the next video.